Lunch was green pulao with Hyderabadi Bhindi ka salan. I already posted the recipe of the pulao, but today let's see how to make the Bhindi ka salan. So roast some peanuts until it browns, and now it's the turn of half cup dry coconut. Roast and now add sesame seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and now roast till the sesame seeds crackle. Switch off the flame and add khaskhas and roast for a minute. Cool and blend to smooth paste. Now let's heat some oil and stir fry the bhindi. If you want, you can deep fry, but I have only stir fried. To the same oil, add tomatoes and fry till the skin comes off. Now to hot oil, add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, red chillies, curry leaves, and 3 onions chopped. Stir on a high flame for 2 minutes and add ginger garlic paste and stir for 2 minutes. Add some turmeric powder and some Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well and add the blended paste. Mix it very well and add half teaspoon garam masala, little bit of water and tamarind water 2 cups. Mix it well, add some salt and bring to a boil. Now let's add some hot water and green chilies and again bring to a boil. Now add the vegetables that we cooked and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame. That's it. Yummy bhindi ka salan is all yours.